Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this makeup look to show you. I was feeling super angelic that day. Just kidding. But this look actually did turn out to be pretty angelic, and it's a really different shape from what I'm used to. Not that it's a difficult look, it's actually really easy. But yeah, anyways, let's get right into this look. I'm gonna start by priming my face using the Fenty Beauty primer, and this is honestly just a really nice base because it's moisturizing and not oily or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna start with that. But I want it to be really, really glowy, so I took the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Stunner and put this on the high points of my cheeks, including like my cheekbones, my forehead, and a little bit on my nose. I was feeling really angelic here. I'm just kidding, I'm gonna milk that. Anyways, I took the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation and the Sigma Edge Kabuki F87, which is like a really triangular kabuki brush. It's really weird, but I actually really like the way it applies my foundation. Then, of course, I concealed using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 15, and I put that on my under eyes, chin, and forehead. I almost said nose, but I didn't put it on my nose this time. Then I blended it out using a beauty blender and moved on to doing my brows off of camera. I also primed my eyes off of camera. So then for eyeshadow, I took the Sigma Creme de Couture palette and used the shade Passion Fruit and put that on my crease. And I really packed the shade on. It's a really soft color. This whole palette is actually really, really beautiful. But yeah, so I put this on my crease, and then I moved on to the shade, oh Lord, help me here. It's called Café au Lait. I don't speak French, you guys. But anyways, I put this on my outer corner and worked it in. I was using an angled brush here because I wanted to go with a really angular look, if that makes sense. It was kind of like a cat shape, so the angled brush really made it easy because I just used it flat and just dragged the shadow in, and it worked out really well actually. And this is all I did for the top part. It was super simple. After I blended it out, of course, I moved down to the bottom lash line and took that dark brown shade that I used up on my upper part and then blended it out using the same first shade that we used, Passion Fruit. And then once those two shades were on there, I took a clean blending brush and just blended those two together to make sure it was really nice and seamless. Then I put on some eyeliner on my waterline. This is from NYX and it's a super light pink. It's from the Faux Whites collection, and it just gave me a really nice angelic feel. I don't know why I think that's so funny, angelic. Anyways, I'm putting some powder liner on my lash line, my upper lash line, and this is by Catrice Cosmetics. It's just super easy to work with. That's why I choose to use this over a regular shadow. Then I threw on some lashes and went right into highlighting using the Sigma Chroma Glow Shimmer and Highlight Palette with the shade Ambrosia. It was way more intense than I honestly expected it to be, but it has a really nice pinky sheen to it. So I wound up sticking it in my inner corner as well to give a really nice pop. This highlighter was seriously intense, as you can see, but I love it. Okay, now time for blush. I took the Milani Tea Rose blush, which is one of my all-time faves, and I put this on my crease. As you can see, I'm going with a pink theme here, a nice baby pink theme. Then moving on to lips, I took this Tarte lipstick in the shade Salt Life, which is a really moisturizing lipstick. Honestly, this was my first time using it, and I loved it so much. I felt like it made my lips look bigger, but I don't know if that was just me, but I really, really lived for it. But anyways, that's the look. I don't have any setting spray right now, so I would have usually finished it off with some setting spray, but I'm all out. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I make new videos every single week, and you can follow me on my other social medias, which I have linked down below. And yeah, I think that's all I can think of. Let me know what videos you guys want to see from me next, if you want to see colorful makeup tutorials or what. Anyways, I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!